You will see that every box has a fixed label indicating purchase order and manufacturing date. Every unit is identified by a serial number that will help you to discriminate every device once installed in the grid. Don't forget to read through user's manual before installation. Just in case actuator is not holding the trigger in locked position, proceed as shown. Turn the trigger through 90 degrees and ensure the actuator rode on trigger tab. As you can see, installing and removing sectionalizer is alike doing the same with the fuse carrier. Difference consists in you don't need to replace any fuse links. You just have to reposition actuator rod on trigger tab. Spin-on is the system that enables you to configure sets of 3 sectionalizers remotely at a distance up to 10 meters. It is composed by an antenna, a gateway, and your own laptop. Let's start opening the program. In the first screen, click Address, and the program will ask you for a password. This password is preset from factory. The first step is searching all the devices which are reached by the gateway. That is, in a distance lower than 10 meters. For that, you have to choose first address number. The prefix address is channel 1. Click Search Address. If not all devices appears at the first site, click again Search Address. And if Gateway cannot reach all of them, move the antenna and restart the program. Those numbers you can see are the serial numbers printed on the label of each sectionalizer. In this example, we have installed only one set of 3, but you may know that in the same pole you can control up to 4 sets, that is 12 sectionalizers. Let's configure parameters for the set. Click Commands tab. Prefix group password is 0000. Now you have to choose the group number you want to configure. Click Read All for reading all preset values from factory. Take into account that this program will change values not one by one device, but for the complete set of 3 sectionalizers together. First information is about software version. This value is important for future purchases. You can change the group address number for this group if you wish. There's no technical reason for changing address, it's only an organizational matter. Number of faults in our example is 3. Let's change it to 2 by clicking in the drop-down menu. Click Change for making changes. Next parameter is fault current. That is the current over which sectionalizer will count one fault. It's important this parameter being a bit lower than preset in your recloser. Choose Threshold Current using the drop-down menu. Don't forget to click Change Fault Current. Group timer to release is the same that reset time. That is the time device will fix for forgetting previous fault and restarting counting from 0. You can change time following the same steps that previous parameters. Time to verify no-line is a security parameter. It's important for long-lasting use of sectionalizer that every tripping occurs offline. 100 milliseconds is a secure value for tripping once the net is switched off. Current value is not a parameter to configure, but a real-time information. Values can be different on each phase, like this example. You can change frequency from 50 to 60 Hz. Now that you have changed some values, you can also change the preset password for this group. Next two parameters are used for incremental current operation mode. This mode of actuation will not exist anymore in further product release. Our group is now configured. If instead of 3 devices we had 6, 9 or 12 units, we will see every serial number on the screen, and we should use PS tab for changing and AS tab for assigning each device to a particular group. Don't forget that apart from spin-on remote configuration system, you can always count with spin-off configuration mode. Using this option, you will configure every device one by one, instead of set by set.